So that's the face setting, defrost setting. And that's the feet setting, face setting. So that's the cold temperature, medium, and max hot. So that's max hot, medium, cold.